today I'll show you कि सीधा पल्ला कैसे पहनते हैं. अब सीधा पल्ला इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि the pallu goes on the right hand and the pleats also face the right. That is why it is called the Seedha Pallu. So let's begin. The first tuck is already in place. So this is how you take the pallu. Once the pallu is in place, start pleating. Remember, the pleats will face the right. That's why it's called a Seedha Palla साड़ी. और दूसरी जो साड़ी हम हमेशा पहनते हैं और it's usually worn by Indians is called Ulta Palla साड़ी because the pallu goes on the left side. Simple ना? I hope you remember this. So you start pleating neatly and slowly. जितना साड़ी को प्यार से पहनेंगे उतनी सुंदर और खूबसूरत लगती है. So once the pleats are in place, tuck it in. Also remember to wear your footwear before wearing your sari so that you know exactly where you need to tuck it. Once this is done, take this end and so you tuck it right in.